Grayhill's touch encoder simplifies the design and implementation of attractive, robust, highly functional HMIs for industrial, commercial kitchen, medical, off-road, and other challenging environments. It supports tap, swipe, and turn gestures, making it an intuitive interface for users that can save space by replacing multiple traditional inputs. The touch encoder combines a PCAP high-resolution touchscreen and rotating encoder in an IP67 sealed, IK6 impact-resistant, and chemical-resistant package. The tablet-based development platform has a library of customizable widgets to simplify development, and the integrated memory can store hundreds of screens. The touch encoder has 32 positions per revolution and is rated for 1 million cycles and is offered with either a USB or CAN interface and multiple knob styles.